To manage your factory, start by logging into the system. Navigate through the hierarchy to select the right factory node and associated data. Display the overall factory status at a glance and view the latest update for each machine. Select a real-time status for all the details. View the various availability states for each machine. View details via a table or view graphically. Simply click on the bar to view the percentage of time a machine spends in a specific state. Switch the language display, for example, from Italian to English. The system calculates and tracks in real time and displays machine status and performance daily or weekly. Calculate overall equipment effectiveness and performance for each machine. The system also provides supervisor and administrator tools and can display root causes for breakdowns and machine stops. Track and manage device details such as settings, device metadata, and device parameters and connections to fully manage each factory end-to-end. For more information, speak to one of our experts today and visit us on capgemini.com.